Good morning, guys. This is Tony. Welcome to Roldo's Details. So today we are detailing this Honda Odyssey. We are mobile today, as you guys can see. We have a couple more jobs at the shop, but anyways, today we are gonna be showing you guys something that I really like, which is this bad boy over here. I have to kind of say that before I used to hate those IK sprayers, because I just don't like, to be honest, to be pumping this thing for too long, as you guys can see. And that's the results. It takes too long. I'm always looking for efficiency, honestly. And now this bad boy over here, it comes with a nice battery, which I love. I did purchase this here at Car Supplies Warehouse, and this thing right now, all you have to do is put some use on it and keep working. So let me show you guys the difference between that thing and this one here. What do you guys think? This thing is amazing. I just love it. What else I can say? I think this video at this point is done. once you guys once the pump, this right here kind of gets low on air, the air compressor that we have over here with the battery is gonna start charging, so it's gonna be consistent all the time, so you don't have to go back and forth to either pump it out or looking for your air compressor in order to put some air into this thing. So it's amazing. So I like it so much, since I have the shop, I have this mobile unit, and I have one more. I have to purchase 3 all the time. So that's the only downside on my end, because they are around $260 some. They are expensive once again, but if you're looking for efficiency, this is the tool that you need to have in your arsenal, honestly. So all right, let's just continue over here. We need to keep moving. Once again, I'm gonna show you guys as well how we normally use it on the wheels, and we're gonna move to the shop, and I will be doing an unboxing for you guys, since I just purchased another one which is brand new, and we're gonna do the unboxing. That way you guys will know exactly what is included in the box. So let's go. Alright guys, so we are back to the shop, and like I told you guys, we're gonna be doing a nice unboxing over here of this amazing product. Once again, this is my second one. I'm about to get another one because I need one for each van and I need one for the shop, you know, because I don't like to be pulling out, you know, the stuff, you know, from the shop or from the van if we ever need it, you know. So, but anyways, let's do, this is the regular IK, you know, like the way you guys used to purchase, or if you haven't purchased yet, this is how it's gonna look. It would be nice if I have a knife, but I forgot. Anyways, there we go. I got it. So let's get it out. Here is the hose. And here is the jug. We have over here as well all the stuff, you know, and extra, we have extra hoses over here. I think this is gonna give you different like thickness on the foam, you know, if you want like the foam to be like more running type of foam, or if you want a thick foam, you can switch it out. But so far I have no idea of which one is which we have to read the instructions, obviously. In this case, you know, I'm not gonna do it. You guys can do it whenever you guys purchase yours. But yeah, let's put it together, which is super simple. All you have to do is put it together. And then over here we have a little tip. And it comes as well with some spare like filters, you know. These filters are the ones that you can replace and be like, you can install them right here, you know. I think they go, if I'm not wrong, yeah, right there, as you guys can see. That is the one that is gonna give you the foam, you know, type of thing, you know, I guess. But anyways, let's continue. Got the hose over here. Okay, and I'm gonna set it up like so. Really? So dumb. Okay, we're gonna edit that. Anyways, we're gonna install it like this. Make sure it's tight, otherwise you guys gonna have some foam over here, and that's annoying. Make sure it's straight, like so, straight and tight. Lastly, we're gonna connect this one here. So today it was a pretty good day. Ivan did a Volkswagen GTI. We did a premium detail on that one. I did the van, the one that you guys saw right there, which it was pretty dirty. And Natalie was working over here on a GMC Yukon XL. Pretty big vehicle. But she got it. Now Ivan is finishing up with her, and I'm here kinda doing the video for you guys. This one here is obviously the one that you can use if you wanna do it by hand, but that's what we are trying to avoid. Like I said, I used to hate these things because it takes forever. This is like it's a release valve. Whenever you guys finish using it, you can just kill the battery and release the air. That way you're not gonna keep pressure on these things, let's say overnight or stuff like that, because we can easily mess up the this one, I believe, if we leave it with pressure, you know. All right, so here is the compressor with the battery and everything. So the instructions and the compressor. Here is, you know, the one that you connect over here. And over here is, we got a charger and the battery over here. There you go. In order to install it, slide this out, connect the battery, and you can turn it on right here. But in this case, we're not gonna do it because we're still gonna install it. Okay. All right. By the way, this little guy here, I thought it was like a tip, but it's not. It is the one you can install right here in order to connect this one here, something like this. Yep, like that. This one goes right here. Consígueme una hexagonal, Iván, por favor, de estas chiquititas para esto. Now we're just gonna get a tool to remove this piece right here. Las pequeñas. Esta. Pásame la una a un cangrejo también. So nice. Now let's put some juice. No, eso no le hace. Está bien, eso que. Solo tráeme super clean. Let's put the inflador over here now. And you wanna close it and tighten them up like that. I think we are good to go. We might gonna have to charge the battery, but we're gonna try now. There you go. Let's see how long it's gonna take to charge. You got this little sticker as well. If you want to, I think you can put it somewhere right here, like so. You can write whatever product you're gonna have in there. So this one here, I think it keeps 30 pounds of pressure all the time. And it keeps, you know, it's consistent pressure. So once again, I like it, I love it, and that's why I did purchase one more, and I need to purchase a couple more, because once again, it's really nice. Yeah. All right, guys. I think that's gonna be it. You guys already saw how it works and everything. You guys can see right there. Thick foam, really nice. And that's gonna be it. If you guys want to purchase this, we might gonna have it here as well at Ralph Details in Richmond, Virginia. But as well, if you guys want to purchase this from Car Supplies Warehouse, you guys can do it by using the Ralph 10. You guys are going to be able to save 10% on anything that you guys purchase from Car Supplies Warehouse. Maybe not anything, but the majority of the stuff, you know. You guys can save some money by using the Ralph 10. All right, guys. If you guys like this type of videos, give us a big thumbs up and share these videos with whoever is going to be is gonna get benefits, you know, from this type of videos. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.